On this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the weight toner unit for the Brother MFC L8900 CDW. Let me open the front cover, pull the ROM unit out, put the lock right here, put it up, lift, and take out the ROM unit. Now we're going to do that with the transfer bell. Look like I forget to take the tap out before. Now we're going to take out the weight toner unit. And to replace the weight toner unit, just put the new one. Since this printer is just 1,000 page, so I don't need to replace the weight toner. So don't be surprised if I put the same one back. So to put it back, and then put the bell back. Press, make sure it's locked in place, and now put the ROM unit back. And then when you slide the ROM unit in, make sure you put it locked that way so you can slide the ROM and the cartridge in and close. Now the weight toner if you have the arrow up there on the top, now it will reset it if you change the new weight toner in there.